y'all! Have you ever tried opening a file or running a program on your Windows PC and bam! You get that weird error message, error_path_not_found or error code 3? Trust me, it's annoying, but I've got you covered. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to fix it step by step, easy as pie. Alright, let's break it down. Error code 3 means Windows can't find the path you told it to look in. This could be because the file or folder was moved, deleted, or you typed the wrong path. Sometimes it's just Windows being quirky. First things first, double check that the path is correct. If you're clicking a shortcut, right-click it, then select Properties. Look at the target box. Does that location exist? If not, you might need to recreate the shortcut or point it to the right folder. Simple fix. Next up, if you're typing in a path manually, like in command prompt, make sure you're using backslashes, not forward slashes, and that you're spelling everything right. Even a little typo can throw off Windows. For example, C users, your name documents, not C/users/your name/documents. Still getting the error? It's time for a quick scan. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder or drive you're trying to access. If you see it's missing, maybe it got deleted or moved. Check your recycle bin just in case. If it's on an external drive or USB, make sure it's plugged in and showing up in this PC. Now sometimes this error pops up after a Windows update, or if system files get messed up. Here's how to fix that. Click the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run as administrator. Now type sfc/scano and hit Enter. This scans for corrupted files and fixes them. Might take a few minutes, so grab a sweet tea while you wait. If none of that works, try creating a new user account. Sometimes old profiles get corrupted. Just go to Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other Users, and add someone else to this PC. Log in with the new account and see if the error's gone. And there you go. Most error code 3 problems boil down to a missing file, a mistyped path, or a simple system hiccup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay techie, y'all.